The Steampunk Airship Model Kit is a unique fusion of industrial fantasy and classic Zeppelin design, featuring intricate details that capture the essence of the steampunk aesthetic. This model offers an engaging experience with its gear-driven mechanical system, where turning a single knob activates multiple moving parts, mimicking the propulsion of a real steam-powered airship. Included in the kit are 5 original characters, each equipped with unique tools, allowing builders to create dynamic scenarios and enhance the storytelling aspect of their display. The model is designed with precision, featuring textured boilerplates and transparent pressure dials, providing a detailed and rewarding construction process for enthusiasts. With dimensions of 378 mm by 321 mm by 340 mm, this kit is perfect for display, offering a striking visual presence. The model's compatibility with other PANTASY scenes allows for seamless integration, expanding the possibilities for collectors to build their own steampunk universe.